Hey folks, Mike.Bassett here, Guaranty RV Super Centers, and I want to let you know that we're located in Junction City, Oregon. We're a destination dealership. We've got a restaurant. We've got service 7 days a week. We've got just all sorts of things going on here. What I want to show you is this brand new 2019 Desert Fox 24AS. This is a brand new model. We got electric tongue jack on it right here. It's just a great toy hauler. Built in LeGrand, Oregon for our kind of weather, so it withstands the cold and the heat. We've got a 4,000 Cummins generator here, so you can operate anything when you're dry camping. Got some storage room down here. Outside shower with LED light. Collapsible ladder that you can just, when you're going down the road, just straighten it out against the wall here. And then your fuel station. So let's go around and I'll show you the front side. This is a vent for your toys for the back end. This will drop down. Got an automatic awning, boat style speakers. They're designed to get wet. And this is a cool new thing for the 2019. It's a really heavy duty step here. These legs are adjustable, so if you're on uneven ground, they just work great. Screen door. Let's go inside. So Northwood products are really the best built that there are. Their cabinetry is far superior than most. Everything in here is screwed and glued. It's not stapled like most other toy haulers. So you can really reef on this, and I wouldn't do that with other product. You got area up here to put your helmets and your boots. This will fold down into a bed, and then you've got these make into opposing couches, and then another bed up here, long table, carpet that you lay down in your garage, and nice hard surface countertops in the galley, refrigerator over here, nice sized bathroom, and up forward here we got the queen size bed. Thanks for looking at my video, and give me a call. Mike.Bassett, Guaranty RV.